In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to display milestones and deliverables in your proposal in a way that's clear, professional, and effective. Whether you're crafting a proposal for a client or a project, being able to show these key elements is critical to ensuring both parties know what to expect, and it sets you up for success in any deal. First off, let's talk about why milestones and deliverables are so important. These are the building blocks of any project, and when you outline them clearly, it builds trust with your client or stakeholder. You're setting clear expectations upfront about what you'll deliver and when, making it easier to keep everything on track. To get started, break down your project into distinct phases. This helps you structure your proposal in a way that's digestible and shows your client exactly what they'll get at every stage. For example, you could have an initial discovery phase, followed by design, development, testing, and final delivery. Each phase will then include specific deliverables, like reports, presentations, or final products. Next, define what those deliverables are. Don't just say design phase, say deliver a fully approved design prototype. This kind of specificity lets your client know exactly what to expect, making it harder for any misunderstandings to arise later on. It also shows your attention to detail and professional approach. Now, let's talk about timelines. Each milestone needs a clear deadline. Be realistic and give enough time for each phase to be completed, but don't stretch it out too long. Include specific dates for when the deliverables will be completed. You might say, design prototype delivered by June 15th, and final product delivered by August 30th. Having deadlines attached to deliverables ensures everyone stays on the same page. One thing that often gets overlooked is adding a review period after each milestone. This gives your client a chance to provide feedback before moving to the next phase. It's a simple but effective way to prevent issues from stacking up later in the process. Include this in your proposal with a note like, review period for design prototype, June 16th to June 20th. A pro tip here is to use software that helps you visually organize and track these milestones. This software lets you create timelines, track deliverables, and share updates with your clients. It makes your proposal look professional and helps you stay organized throughout the project. I've tried all the popular tools out there, and I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below so you can follow along. To recap, when showing milestones and deliverables in your proposal, make sure to break the project into phases, clearly define your deliverables, attach realistic deadlines to each phase, and include a review period for feedback. By doing this, you ensure clarity and avoid any confusion later on. And remember, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description for the software we used in this tutorial. It'll help you manage all your milestones and deliverables smoothly. Key takeaway. A clear breakdown of milestones and deliverables with deadlines and review periods is crucial to making sure your proposal is professional and your project stays on track.